In this recording, we're going to take a look at how to install and use Awesome Screenshot. In Google Classroom, you're going to open the link to install Awesome Screenshot, and it should bring you to this page. When you get here, you're going to click the blue Add to Chrome button. It's going to ask for permission. You're going to click Add Extension. Once it does that, it'll download it and install it. And you should now see the Awesome Screenshot option up here on your address bar. When you're ready to use it, you're going to use it to create a screenshot or picture of your screen. So I'm going to jump over here to Tinkercad, and I already have a project pulled up. To use it, I'm going to click on the icon. I'm going to click Capture Selected Area. Draw a box over what I want the picture to be of, and I'll click Capture. Once you've done that, it's going to load it in the screenshot menu. You're going to click Done, and then you're going to click Connect with Cloud Storage. Choose Google Drive, connect with Google Drive, and select your Google account from the list. You're going to give it permission both times, and it should now add Google Drive to your screenshot tool. You're going to click Allow one more time. You might need to scroll down to get it, and then you're going to give it a name and click Upload. Once it's done uploading, it will be saved in your Google Drive so you can use it later.